From fancy rooftop bars until nightclubs and party streets, night markets and food street, Bangkok has a varied nightlife as the city itself. Everyone tries to sell you something and many shops open at night. Hello and welcome back for a new journey. But before, if you didn't until now, please subscribe down below. My channel, it's about life, about 21st century international nomad lifestyle. Join me and we'll have great experiences to enrich our knowledge. We'll explore traditions and habits in different corners of the world and we'll find best places where to feel alive. Bangkok is famous for its nightlife and carefree atmosphere. The nightlife in Bangkok is considered to be by far the best nightlife in Thailand. The crowded and vibrant city is very active even at night. Residents, expats, domestic travelers, tourists getting lost in the crowded streets of Bangkok. Since 1st July 2022, the Thai pass has been cancelled. Most other COVID restrictions also have been relaxed, and Bangkok nightlife is coming back to life. Although June-September being considered a low season for tourism in Thailand, it is expected a return of the tourists, starting with October 2022, up to over 1 million tourists per month. As you can see for the moment, the nightlife is still moderate, but is expected to return to its full capacity soon. Bangkok being well known worldwide for some of the craziest parties, vibrant nightclubs, cocktail bars, rooftops, and more. Nice.
Weird.
Which one? Nice ride. Wow, the light is very strong.
Yeah, it is. More expensive.
Here is considered nice, huh? Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video, please give a like, share with others, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below and I will reply to you.